This is for our Gonda ukulele strummers. We are learning Let It Be, the gospel version. We're doing this really slowly as we get these chords under our fingers. We're in the key of A. We've got an A chord, a D7, and an E7. I was inspired by Bill Withers' gospel version of this song, so just 3 chords. And our beat, rock beat, 95 beats per minute. Starting note is E. When I find myself, here we go. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing down, up, down, up, down, up. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. 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 A whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. Oh yeah. But though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, let it be. Let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. Now we're going to be soft. There is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let it be. I wake up to the sound of her music. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. All right, louder. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, let it be. Let it be. There will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, slow down. Let it be. 2, 3, oh yeah. Tremolo.